You can see it right on the screen there. WTF is Pepe? Well, Pepe Unchained, or Pepe token, is a layer 2 blockchain that is about to revolutionize the meme world. We're going to be talking about it in this video because these guys are doing a phenomenal job not to just offer those crazy rewards that you see there, 1,079% annualized rewards, but they are making memes bigger, faster, stronger, more efficient, cheaper, you name it, they're doing it. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we've got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now, and my goodness, the market's been hit pretty hard over the last month. We have seen Bitcoin go from 70,000 to 58,000. We've seen Ethereum go from about 3,900 down to 3,300. Altcoins, meme coins, they've taken a very hard hit, but Pepe Unchained has been doing a great job to raise $1.8 million while the rest of the market is going down. Pepe Unchained is continuing to raise at a wonderful pace. So let's talk about why. But if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you click that link in the description below. Pull up this website here. From there, you're going to click on Connect Wallet and determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to buy 5 Ethereum worth of Pepe Unchained, you're going to be walking away with 2,073,100 Pepe Unchained, a phenomenal amount at 0.8 cents, and the price is going to continue increasing all throughout this pre-sale, so you're going to be making a lot of money before this token even launches. Guys, $1,812,000 raised so far. The next price increase is going to happen at $1.963 million, or of course when 1 day and 9 hours ticks down. Now, that's not the best of it, right? The fact that they're able to raise when the rest of the market is going lower is crazy enough. But look at these rewards that you're going to see on the right-hand side of the screen here. 1,079% annualized staking rewards. We're going to talk about those in a second here, but first, Pepe now has his own blockchain. This is a layer 2 blockchain, and there's going to be instant bridging between Ethereum and the Pepe blockchain. Lowest transaction fees in the industry, higher volume capacity, 100 times faster than the Ethereum network, and it's got its own dedicated block explorer. So think of like Shibarium, where you get Shibarium Scan, you've got Polyscan, Sol Scan, Ether Scan. I don't know if it's going to be called Pepe Scan or what the name is going to be, but you're going to have its own dedicated block explorer so that you can see every single transaction that comes across the Pepe Unchained layer 2 blockchain. Now, moving on from this page, let's talk about what Pepe Unchained is. Pepe Unchained is the future of meme coins. It's a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes, man. Pepe Unchained token empowers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new golden age of meme coins with Pepe in his rightful place as king and Pepe Unchained, layer 2, his kingdom. Guys, and this is the part that I love the most. Earn insane rewards. Let's talk about these rewards right now. The staking rewards are crazy. 1,079%. Now, they are falling as more and more people stake their Pepe Unchained. So you can see that the reward rate is dynamic, and the more people that stake their Pepe Unchained, the lower this reward rate is going to go because you're sharing rewards with more people, which is why you need to act fast. Guys, if you would have jumped in just a couple of days ago, you would have been sitting on Pepe Unchained rewards above 4,000% on an annualized basis. Now, you might be wanting to wait for some reason, but if you wait, you're not going to see the higher price increases, and you're not going to see the larger staking rewards. So please keep in mind that you're going to be paying for your time in that situation. Now, let's keep going on, and there was an audit on that page if you would like to go through the audit, but let's talk about how to buy Pepe Unchained. If you can't connect your wallet or can't figure it out, they've got a little step-by-step tutorial about creating a MetaMask, loading the wallet with crypto, and buying and staking Pepe Unchained there. Let's talk about the Tokenomics as well. It's a very simple breakdown, and you're going to see why they can afford such high staking rewards. 20% of all of the tokens are set aside for the presale. 30% are set aside for those staking rewards. Guys, the 30% of all of the tokens going to those staking rewards is how you can see 1,000+% annualized interest at the current level. 20% go into marketing, 10% to liquidity, 10% to project finance, and another 10% to on-chain inventory. The Pepe Unchained roadmap is very simple. Step 1, make Pepe great again. Step 2, coin eruption or the launch. And step 3, Pepe layer 2, launching his blockchain there. Very, very simple process. Now, if you don't have all of your questions answered, get them answered, but I want to point this out. When will Pepe Unchained Layer 2 be released? When it says Pepe Unchained Layer 2 blockchain and the ecosystem will be released once the pre-sale has ended. That's when the real fun begins, sir. And pay attention to it. You guys are going to want to make sure that you take advantage of every single price increase along the way, which is why you need to get in sooner rather than later. So let's see how fast Pepe Unchained is being able to grow its community. Already, this token hasn't even been out for a full month, and already 4,561 followers out on X. And if you want to see just how fast they're growing their Telegram community, they've already got 2,443 subscribers to their Telegram channel. Now, if you want to keep up with Pepe Unchained, maybe before you buy in, make sure, join their Telegram. Follow them out on X. See just how active and engaging they are. Right here. 3 hours ago, they posted that Pepe has broken his chains and now has his own Layer 2 blockchain solution. There's going to be instant bridging between Ethereum and the Pepe chain. Lowest transaction fees, 100 times faster transaction speeds compared to Ethereum, and a dedicated block explorer. 2.2 thousand views. $1.5 million raised just a day ago. A couple days ago, something big is loading. Stay tuned for this announcement right here. 14,000 views on that post right there. 16,000 views, 9,000 views. Pepe Unchained is doing an excellent job of getting a lot of attention, a lot of eyes on this project, and by doing so, they're creating demand when the rest of the market is falling. Now, Bitcoin over the last 2 days now has been doing a very good job of rising off the recent lows. If it can keep that up, you're going to see that newfound demand and excitement trickle down into these little coins. So if you get in now before the rush and before all the excitement, you're going to experience the most price increases along the way. If you wait, that is your choice, but of course you're going to be getting in at a higher price. I want to know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.